You know you should.
My car is back. It's been a while. As you can tell, my reaction on the other video, I was so happy when I got back. So, currently what we're doing today, as you see by the title, installing the 180 thermostat onto my car. This is an aftermarket part, which allows your car to be cooler and should also make your engine performance better. That's what it claims. I'm gonna install it and we're gonna see how it goes and the steps. So, what you need for my cold air intake, it's gonna vary for you. It's gonna be different. Since I got this one, I'm gonna use. I'm using 11 millimeter right here for this. Take that off. But what we really gonna do is the only thing you need really once you take the cold air off is a 10 millimeter socket, and you're just gonna also need coolant. Definitely need this. I would recommend getting the factory. So
put your hand on the label.
Yeah.
Had your hand on the label.
And so this is what we actually trying to take off, as you see.
What to it?
So, as you see right here, with my screw taken off. Once I take this off, you'll see it better. But we'll be back with you, because one right here, if I can point to it, there you go. And then we can get going. So, alright, so basically, you gotta take this bolt off right here, and it's another bolt around here. It's got two bolts. You're gonna take this loose first right here, and you're gonna lose coolant, so that's why we got the coolant. So we just need a pair of pliers and the 10 millimeter bolt right here, and socket, and we're gonna use this to turn. Take it off.
Squeeze it. I'm gonna put a channel out. Once you slide it back, you need to slide it back. The fly just come off that hole right there. It's gonna come off.
Yeah.
Now you let the hose off. You lose the coolant. Now you gonna lose your coolant.
Alright. Now we're gonna use the coolant. As you see, it's already squirting out. Hey, get rid of them baby pliers.
Yeah. You gotta choose a pair of channel locks work better.
Alright, pair of channel locks. These work better, bigger pliers. Alright, so now we get to the fun part. Screwing.
Oh, you gotta go and pull them off there. Pull that off.
Let's see. Coolant.
Right there. Hold it, push your hole up that way. It won't sit in the middle. Put it up like that.
Alright. And
losing the 10 millimeter bolts, two of them.
there's just two of them here. Ooh. Wash your hand. It's
Oily.
oily.
I'll get your rag in a minute.
I think it should be able to.
Should be turn your hand. We take all the screws loose. Once you get your finger tight, you can spin on out with your hand.
Yep, like such. I'm trying to avoid because for some reason the engine's still kind of hot. It's hot here today. Real hot, sweat. Let's see, I'm still losing some. Like I said, my hands very old. It's easy.
Stop, I'll get your rag. I'll leave one.
Alright. There you go. Hand tight both of them. Like I said, this is very simple and easy. Just messy. Let's pull this.
That should be it. Take the top and we can probably come way out.
Gee, how long this boat is? I'm in California. My hand's slipping too, that's why I was taking a little bit. Power in. You might see me be able to do this a little quicker.
Gosh. Let me see that. Is it coming?
It's coming.
You suck!
There we go.
Alright, sure.
Just like this. This is your factory thermostat. They look pretty much the same, but we agree, right? So
Yeah.
they look the same. Only thing I see like the gold and the silver, whatever you call that line different. But it's the same. It's the same thing. We just took the bolt from the factory and we put them in here just like that. It's the same thing. So let's reverse process. Let's see, which way should we do first?
Yeah, I got going first. No, yeah.
We put on this first. So let's say reverse process.
You don't need no Permatex, no sealant. Oh shit.
I see it. Good thing this is the Challenger, I can see. Right, where is that? Gonna start thread for this. You don't need no Permatex
I'll seal it.
or sealant and stuff for this. So it just comes with the gasket and stuff like that. So
O-ring.
and O-ring. So you don't need none of that. This is just a reverse process. What you need to do when you tighten up, just snug it up. Don't tighten up too hard, and because you're gonna have to put that hose back in here too. So you just want just enough.
You want snug where you want to crack your plastic.
Yeah, well you don't want to crack it basically.
Because you got a O-ring on there, seal it.
Right. So that's
Sure tight enough? I don't know about that time. Let me see. Go ahead, screw stop turning now.
Put that on there, pull that back up like that.
Take the tight squeeze, it's just bring back. It ain't locked. Locks, I like that old, it's locked in place. Not fancy.
Yeah, fancy. Courtesy. Gosh.
Oh Lord. It's just a Dodge. You start back with a mark now. You just tell your mark right there.
Mark's right here.
Yeah, try to take it maybe these. There you go.
Here.
Alright.
Still kind of miss it though.
This is good enough. It's back in. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Straight.
Shit. Alright.
That's it.
Alright, so we got it all back together.
Give me the keys, I started.
Only thing we gotta do now is just start it up and check the leaks and check for oil temperature.
Let's go back to it.
So Okay, wait till let's yeah, we gotta get into the operation template. See how it runs. Yeah, we just looking. So far, it seems good right now. Check. Okay. Alright, YouTube, see, so when you like driving and cruising, the thermostat, it goes down. Right now it's going up because I ain't doing nothing. But I'm moving now. So it's going down as you drive. So that's the benefit about the 180. You just cruise along, it drops between like 185 to like 190-ish. This is 192 right now. So I think the highest I ever seen this thing go up for as just riding wise goes up like 197, I believe, and that's with me hitting it. So that's the best I've seen it. Does it do gain benefits by installing the 180? I feel a big response. I don't know about for as how much, if it's a horsepower gain or anything like that. I just know the car drive more better by the response, and I feel like I was getting up there in speeds a little bit more better. So yeah, it's definitely worth upgrading to the 180 Mishomoto Thermostat, and just make sure you do it right, because if you do it wrong, it's probably gonna, kill the cooling temps. So just make sure you install it right. It's still probably not too tight, and yeah, I will definitely recommend this